everyone, this is Ms. Cray, and I am going to make a video that shows you step by step, how to take a picture of your writing samples, upload them to a folder in your Google Drive, and then uploading them to Google Classroom. Yeah, that's what we're using. All right, so the first thing you need to do is have a blank Google tab open. So fresh start, Google tab. Locate your Google Apps, that little 9-dot waffle, whatever you want to call it, and go to your Google Drive. Great. Once you're here, you will need to make a folder. So I have like so many things in folders. I've got a lot of stuff not in folders. Definitely make folders and use those folders because organization is so much better that way. Okay. Moving on, so we're going to create a folder together. Go to New in your Google Drive folder, and I want you to title this folder Writing Samples 2021. So pause this video, add a new folder, title it Writing Samples 2021. When you are finished, come back to this video to continue watching. Okay, so your screen looks like mine, and you are going to click Create. Once you click Create, your folder will come up. Click your folder to open your folder. Now, this is where you're going to house your writing documents, or your writing samples for all of your subjects, including a test one that we're going to do right now. So the first thing you do is go to New, Google Doc, and then Open. From here, I want you to title your document. So when you're doing your writing samples in your classes, you will title your document. The title of that document will be your subject and then writing sample. So for example, if you are doing your writing sample for social studies, you would type social studies writing sample. If you were doing this for reading, then you would eliminate social studies and type reading, right? If you were doing this for math, change it to math. You get the idea. We're gonna rep social studies. Okay, so pause the video and add your title to your document. If this is a test document, then you would type test writing sample. Okay, the next step is for us to all of your writing samples have to have your social studies teacher's name. So that does not matter if you are doing this writing sample for reading, math, or science. You still need to have your social studies teacher's name in the header of your document. How do you do that? This is how. Take your cursor and double tap lightly, especially if you have the touchpad, or you might have to double click the top of your Google Doc. From here, this opens up your header, and this is where I want you to write your social studies teacher's name. So if I'm your teacher for social studies, you would write Ms. Cray. If Ms. Sanchez is your teacher for social studies, you would type Ms. Sanchez with a Z. It could be Ms. Lowe or Ms. Richardson. You are only typing your social studies teacher's name here. That is it. Again, it will be your social studies teacher's name here, regardless of the document, whatever subject you're doing your writing sample in. Always put your social studies teacher here, at least for these writing samples. So I'm gonna do this. Go ahead and pause this video, add in your social studies teacher as your writing sample into your writing sample, and then click elsewhere on the document to get out, and then come back to this video to hit play. Okay, so we've got our document, we've got it titled, we've got our social studies teacher's name on here, and the next step is to capture a picture. So to get a picture, it's really easy. All you do is go to Insert in your toolbar, Image, Camera. Something might come up asking you to allow. This, whenever I record, has been where my Yep, it freezes. Okay, I'm just gonna keep going and we're gonna upload this beautiful picture into my document. I think it's only doing this because I'm doing my Screencastify for you guys. It should be fine. All right, so from here, take your writing sample, hold it up to the camera on your computer, and then this little camera button here, click capture. Ooh, look at that beautiful picture. Then you click insert, and all that does is take the picture that you captured and it inserts it, oops, it inserts it into your Google Doc. Now, you're going to want to make this a little bit larger for your teachers to be able to read, so click on the bottom arrow and just drag it in order to, wow, look at that picture. Okay. So we've got our picture. The next thing that we need to do is upload it to Google Classroom. So easy. Okay, so you should have a folder or where you know that you're going to be putting in your writing samples. So I know that if I'm your social studies teacher, there's a topic in here that says week 23, writing sample, submit here. So if you are submitting your writing sample, you're going to actually go to that subject of your writing sample, open it up. So for example, this one is social studies, so I would click social studies, view assignment, and this is how you are going to submit. So I am going to actually open up a different Google Classroom so that I can submit a document of my beautiful picture to something that I forgot to put my mark as complete. Okay, so this is what you see right now in your assignment, right? You see your work, add or create, or mark as done. What I need you to do is click add or create, and then you go to Google Drive. Again, you're doing this in your social studies classroom. Once your Google Drive comes up, go to My Drive, go to your folder, Writing Samples 2021, and then upload that writing sample. So that's it. Mark is done, and now Mr. Bowie has a picture of that face. So hopefully that works. All right, if you have any questions, please watch this video over again. I hope that this was helpful and that you guys have a great day. Bye.